Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best ATV loading ramps available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is Ruadam, an aluminum loading ramp. Although its sleek design appears flimsy, the Ruadam, an aluminum loading ramp, advertises a weight capacity of 750 pounds. Thin and lightweight for easy transport and storage, this ramp is made from aluminum with welded hinges and joints to ensure security, safety and durability. At $100 for a single loading ramp, the Ruadam comes in at the top of the market range. These are expensive ramps. For four-wheelers, it will be necessary to purchase 2 loading ramps, but those with dirt bikes will only need 1. The second product on our list is Motorbell aluminum ramps. The Motorbell aluminum ramps are made from aluminum alloy. The entire product is manually welded, meaning wherever there is a joint or hinge, the metal parts have been visually inspected for added security, but beware, manual welding can lead to quality inconsistency. Always inspect manual welds to ensure no sloppy welding has been overlooked. A bad weld can mean the end of an ATV or a truck's tailgate. The top half of the Motorbell ramp is designed with a slight arch for better weight distribution, which relieves some tension on the joints and enhances longevity of parts. Additionally, the 3 fingers on either ramp that attach to the truck bed are rubber coated to protect the hauling vehicle from damage and eliminate slippage. This pair of aluminum alloy ramps can hold up to 1,500 pounds. The third product on our list is Smart Choice's folding truck ramps. Smart Choices makes one of the lightest loading ramps on the market. When loading heavy bikes and four-wheelers into a towing vehicle, every additional ounce matters. This set of ramps weighs just over 30 pounds and still holds a load of up to 1,500 pounds. These ramps have an arched design which aids in its weight-bearing capacity. With lighter weight, however, comes the loss of some convenience and durability. The hinges and joints are not welded, which makes these ramps more susceptible to buckling. Additionally, there are no protectors on the ramp edges, which can be dangerously sharp. Be sure to wear gloves when handling these ramps. The fourth product on our list is Posse aluminum folding truck ramp. A pair of Posse aluminum ramps ranks at the lower end of the market price range while still providing top-notch quality. This set boasts welded hinges and joints, an arched ramp design for durability, and rubber-coated truck bed rests. At only 33 pounds, these ramps are quite light but still have a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds. Customer reviews reveal that over time, the welding at the joints can deteriorate and the ramp may be subject to breaking or buckling. Always inspect a ramp before loading a vehicle. You never know what may have happened to it when you weren't paying attention. The fifth product on our list is Maxhall Aluminum Ramp Top Kit. Want to build your own ramps? This is the best rated DIY ramp kit on the market. These aluminum ramp tops have pre-drilled holes and attach easily to any 2x8 wood boards. To get the best ramp angle, you may want to spend some time bevel cutting the ground ends of your 2x8s so they rest flat. At such a low cost, and with such easy assembly, the DIY route may be well worth a little extra time. Without a folding mechanism, these ramps are more difficult to store and transport. You, the builder, will determine this ramp's capability. The strength and quality of the selected lumber will affect the ramp's weight, strength, capacity and size, all of the most important factors. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.